I like to dance.
Serious, sis.
What are you doing there staring at me? Come on, join me. Working the belly, rolling the belly. Tip number 1, get fit, stay healthy. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Let's do some leg movements. If you want more structured exercises, you can go over to Arise and Shine with Mommy. That's ARIZE. Arise and Shine with Mommy. Subscribe to her channel. She also has some healthy food. Also, Danny Annie. She is a Jamaican living here in Japan. She does healthy food as well. She's on a weight loss journey. So if you're interested in that, go over to DANNIE, Danny Annie. Subscribe to their channels and get some motivation. Come on, get up, get up, get up, move your body.
Fix that back.
Some people don't like the gym like myself.
And that's quite okay. If you want to jog, jog. If you want to walk, walk. Do you. Do what makes you happy.
Moving my old bone. Get up and join me. Hey.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay, let's walk it out, walk it out, walk it out. 2, healthy eating. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
This is how happy and excited you should be about buying healthy food. Buy more organic stuff, fruits, vegetables, and less of the processed food. And do less of the eating out. Cut your iPads, KFC. Don't do this, actually. If you're going to eat out, try to eat out at least at the healthy restaurants. And make sure that you are preparing your food at home. Check these out. Wow. Tip number 3. Do you stay in your lane? Try to become the best version of you every day instead of using that energy to compare yourself with someone else. Did you see the message that Jenna Brown sent to Kelly Stamps? How she thinks that she has it all together and nothing is happening for her? Listen, comparison is a killer. Don't do it. Stay in your lane.
I hope you have been enjoying those tips so far. So I have 3 more tips for you. Tip number 4, have a healthy mind. Without a healthy mind, you won't be able to think positive. And if you're not thinking positive, how will you motivate yourself to do any of these tips anyhow? So we need to have a healthy mind, cultivate a positive attitude. Just remember that all things work together for good to them that love God, who are called according to his purpose. Don't worry, be happy. Celebrate small victories and just think positive. Tip number 5, speak positive. Once you can think positive, you will begin to speak positive. Speaking positive will manifest positive things in your life. If you want more positivity, speak more positivity. Whatever you sow, you shall reap. And there is no going around that. So I have like 101 affirmations or positive thoughts on my other channel that's called Simple Extrovert. So please subscribe to that if you like something like those. I plan to listen to those 101 declarations like every morning. It's easy when you're driving or you're riding or you're taking a walk to just listen to it, and it will just stick in your mind. Tip number 6, let's go to the bedroom. You got that right. The next tip is to rest well. Make sure that you get proper sleep. Proper sleep not only helps to reduce stress, proper sleep helps your organs to function well, so to prevent heart attacks and certain things like that. more research on the importance of sleep, but sleep is important, can I tell you? That's why God rested on the seventh day. All right, I'm gonna just throw in a bonus tip because there are workaholics, and I need to just talk to you. You need to have work-life balance, not only to reduce stress, but to also make sure that you're taking care of yourself. There are some tips that I did on self-care. If you didn't see that one, check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. I just wanna say, hey world, hey world, hey. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, if you do like this content, why are you not subscribed? See you in the next video. Bye for now. Take care.